As to the architect's project for the alteration of the club premises, I rather suspect that his idea of the architectural possibilities is imperfect and incorrect. Stop. With great respect to him, because of the imperfection of my acquaintance with architecture, I respectfully suggest that he should take counsel with someone whose architectural ability would entitle him to express an opinion. Stop. I quite expect the architect will consider me disrespectful, and I am upset at the prospect of a disagreement with him. Stop. My object is to secure an inspection of the premises as they are, and I believe that unexpected and indeed unsuspected possibilities may develop as a result. Stop. There can be no disrespect in suggesting that a retrospective view of the case so as to secure a proper perspective should be undertaken. Stop. This is exactly what I suggested some time ago, but it was considered an interference with the administration and no steps were taken. Stop.